So let's go back, File, Show Start Page. What I'd like to do now, rather than starting from scratch again and showing particular examples, is to go into one of the sample sheets, and we can use this as a basis for how do they do that and see how we can improve what we've already done. And we're going to use the Superstore example. So let's just click on the Superstore. So, yep, continue trial. So we now know that we have got all of these tabs at the bottom. Each of these are sheets. Now you can see that these with a little cross, those are dashboards, these are the sheets. And we start off with sale map. But you can see that sale map is not actually included down here. So you can see that some sheets are hidden. So if I unhide all sheets, there we can see the hidden ones. Very clever. So click on sale map to start with. We haven't done much on maps because that required more geometric things, dimensions. So the computer has worked out a longitude and latitude. So if I create a new, or if I duplicate this sheet, even better, and I get rid of longitude and latitude and everything else, okay, what happened to begin with is we have in the measures down here longitude and latitude generated, and you can see that they were green here, so they're definitely the measures. So if I drag longitude up here to columns and latitude up here to rows, so I can now click on show me and click on symbol map. So that gives us our map. So let's focus now in the United States. I'm using the zoom buttons. So what I want is a dot per state. So I'm going to get the state and I'm going to put that into detail. So this is the level of detail I want. So immediately you can now see a dot per state. They are all the same size. They are all the same color. So I don't want them all the same size and all the same color. If I go back to sale map, can you see what is being used for the color and what is being used for the size? So for the color, so all we're doing is matching up these symbols. The color is the profit ratio and the size is the sales. So let's do that. So we have profit ratio as being the color. So let's drag that on top of color. So now you can see instead of a dot, the entire state is colored. There is no size, so we're doing the entire state. But what color? Well, if we use the drop down, in the color, we can edit the colors. So notice it wasn't actually in the drop down in this. You actually have to go up to color and click edit colors. And you can see what colors we've got. We could have various shades of red, blue, orange. We could have red going to blue with white in the middle. Or we could have all red, just various shades. So that one is much lighter than that one. Basically, we've got a huge number there. There will be something there you would like, I'm sure. So let's choose this orange-blue diverting, which we've got. So remember, we can't do it from the drop down here. We have to click on color up here to edit it.